and key model, template model. The lock and key model is one of the earliest concepts proposed to explain the specific interaction between an enzyme and its substrate. It is also known as the template model because the enzyme acts as a rigid template for the substrate. Core principles. Proponent, proposed by German chemist Emil Fischer in 1894. Analogy, the enzyme is the lock and the substrate is the key. Mechanism. The enzyme's active site, the lock's keyhole, is a fixed rigid structure. The substrate, the key, has a perfectly complementary geometric shape to the active site. Only a substrate with the exact correct size and shape can fit into the active site, forming a temporary enzyme-substrate complex, ES. Once bound, the reaction is catalyzed, and the products are released. Conclusion. This model successfully explains the extreme specificity of many enzymes, where a single enzyme may only catalyze the reaction for a single type of substrate. Limitations and comparison. While the lock and key model established the concept of enzyme specificity, it is largely superseded by a more accurate concept, the induced fit model. Feature. Lock and key model. Induced fit model. Modern view. Active site shape. Rigid and static. Perfectly complementary to the substrate before binding. Flexible and dynamic. Roughly complementary, but changes shape to fit the substrate after binding. Specificity. High but fails to account for intermediate transition states. Explains high specificity and how the enzyme's conformational change helps stress bonds and lower activation energy. Analogy. A key fitting a perfectly shaped lock. A hand fitting into a glove, causing the glove to mold around it. The key contribution of the lock and key model remains its illustration of the fundamental idea that enzyme action is highly specific to the shape of its substrate. This video provides a comparison between the lock and key model and the modern induced fit model, lock and key model vs. induced fit model, differences and similarities. YouTube video views will be stored in your YouTube history, and your data will be stored and used by YouTube according to its terms of service,